Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your favorite peel and stick wallpapers. Are you on the hunt for an affordable and easy way to jazz up your home decor? Well, you might just be in the right place. Over the past few years, peel and stick wallpapers have evolved into a popular choice for those looking to give their homes a fresh new look. Peel and stick wallpapers have been featured in various articles as a simple yet effective way to transform any space. Whether you're looking to spruce up a teenager's bedroom or give a tired old bathroom a much-needed facelift, these wallpapers offer a solution that's both easy on the pocket and high on style. But what makes these wallpapers so popular? They're affordable, for one. You can find a vast range of designs and patterns to suit every taste and budget. Plus, they're easy to apply. No need for wallpaper paste or professional installers. Just peel, stick, and voila, you've got a brand new look. But that's not all. These wallpapers are versatile. They're perfect for renters who want to personalize their space without making permanent changes. They're equally great for homeowners who enjoy changing their decor with the seasons. And if you're worried about quality, fear not. Many of these wallpapers are printed with eco-friendly inks on PVC-free paper. They're made from materials sourced from well-managed forests and other controlled sources. Plus, they're washable with mild soap and water, ensuring they're easy to maintain. But perhaps the best part is that peel and stick wallpapers are a fun, creative project. They're a fantastic way to inject your personality into your space. So whether you prefer bold, vibrant patterns or subtle, understated designs, there's a peel and stick wallpaper out there for you. In summary, if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and creative way to revamp your home decor, peel and stick wallpapers are a great option. They're affordable, easy to apply, versatile, and high quality. Plus, they offer an opportunity to express your unique style, so why not give them a try? Your home will thank you. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your favorite peel and stick wallpapers. There is a wide range to choose from, and the best part is, they can be easily switched out and replaced whenever you're ready for a new look. So why wait? Start your home transformation journey today. Your home will thank you.